English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Arm in arm, depict, monopoly. Arm in arm. Arm in arm is a phrase. C2 learners usually know arm in arm. Arm in arm means with your arm gently supporting or being supported by someone else's arm. Here are some examples. It's lovely to see them walk arm in arm. They strolled along the promenade, arm in arm. We walked arm in arm until the sun went down. Depict. Depict is a verb. C2 learners usually know depict. To depict is to represent someone or something in a picture or a story. Here are some examples. Her paintings often depict her suffering. His work usually depicts beautiful sunrises and sunsets. The drawing depicts an old sailing ship at sea in the mist. Monopoly. Monopoly is a noun. C2 learners usually know monopoly. A monopoly refers to when a company or organisation is the only one in an area of business or activity and has complete control of it. Here are some examples. The company has a virtual monopoly on production and supply. As there is only one supermarket in the village, it has the monopoly. The only way to break their hold is to remove their monopoly on the supply. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with arm in arm, depict and monopoly. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.